Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on How Logical. In this video, I will show you how you can get logged into your MyFord Benefits account. Now follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to learn how to do it. Now before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get started. Firstly, you need to open up any web browser on a PC. Now, on the URL bar, search for myfords.com and press enter on your keyboard. Now, once you tap on enter button, you will be directly taken to its official homepage. Now, here you will be able to see login box at the left side of your screen. Now, you have to simply type in your Ford Benefits username and the password of your account. Now, if in case you have forgotten either your username or your password, you can recover it by tapping on Forget User ID or Password link. Now, if you're new to this Ford company, then you have to firstly register your Ford Benefits account. For that, you have to tap on this new user link and follow on-screen prompts till the end. Now, if you want to double check your password before moving on, you can tick the square box and reveal your password. And if you want to log in with Elite Mobile, you can tap on this blue button which says Login with Elite Mobile. Now once you're done with typing in your credentials correctly, tap on Log On button in order to get logged into your Ford Benefits account. Now, that was the quick and easy video on how to get logged into your Ford Benefits account. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video, and I will see you in the next one.